How to delete all YouTube comments at once. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application YouTube. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. In here, head over to your videos. All the videos that you have posted will be visible to you. Head over to any of the video that you want to delete the comments. Once you have opened the video, head over to comments. All the comments of this video will be listed in here. First thing you should know that it is impossible to delete all the comments at once. So all you can do is delete the comments manually. In order to do so, tap on this three dot right here and then click on remove. Once again, if you click on remove, the comment will be deleted successfully. Similarly, you have to delete all the comments manually and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete YouTube comments all at once. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.